Could Samsung's latest move with the Galaxy S25 Ultra signal a step in a new direction for the S Pen, or is it a shift that might leave some users disappointed? With the launch of the device on the horizon, leaks and rumors are swirling, giving fans a glimpse of what's to come. Recently, images of the Galaxy S25 Ultra have surfaced, showing off a fresh design and a reimagined S Pen. But there's something different about this iteration. It seems that the Galaxy S25 Ultra may be moving away from the Bluetooth features that have been a staple of the S Pen since its introduction in 2018. Fans who are used to the ability to control presentations, snap photos remotely, and use Air actions through Bluetooth connectivity might find themselves questioning whether this is a step backward. A promotional image shared online gives us a peek into the new direction Samsung is taking with the S Pen. Gone are the Bluetooth features, and in their place, it seems like Samsung is focusing on a more straightforward experience that emphasizes basic functionalities like note-taking and drawing. The image shows the S Pen in a simpler context, and it's raised some questions. Will users miss the more advanced features they come to expect? The loss of Bluetooth support might be disappointing for some, but it's important to remember that the S Pen isn't completely stripped of its capabilities. The pen will still be able to summon Air Command, which allows for quick access to a range of stylus-compatible features. The key here is that Air Command doesn't require Bluetooth. It relies on electromagnetic resonance technology. This technology enables the device to detect the S Pen when it hovers near the screen, so you'll still be able to access those familiar features without Bluetooth connectivity. Why would Samsung make this change? One of the reasons could be that not every user finds Bluetooth features necessary for their daily tasks. For many, the core functionality of the S Pen is focused on writing, sketching, and note-taking. By removing Bluetooth, Samsung may be able to focus on improving the essential features, offering a more precise 1.5mm tip for better drawing and increased durability. These improvements could make the S Pen feel more refined, especially for users who primarily use it for basic tasks like jotting down notes or creating sketches. This shift could be Samsung's way of simplifying the experience, putting more emphasis on what truly matters to most users. But it's not just about the S Pen. There's also the design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra to consider. The leaked images of the device reveal some subtle yet notable changes. The device has slightly rounded corners and flat sides, offering a fresh new look while maintaining the premium feel that Samsung fans have come to love. The design might be familiar, but these small tweaks show that Samsung is focused on evolving the aesthetics of their devices without sacrificing quality or feel. As the launch date approaches, many fans are eager to get their hands on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Pre-orders are already open, and by reserving the device early, you can take advantage of some impressive perks. Not only do you secure your device, but you can also enjoy savings of up to $1,250, along with a chance to win up to $5,000 in Samsung credit. These incentives make it even more tempting to join in early, especially for those who want to be among the first to try out the new features. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates and insights. We'll keep you posted on everything Galaxy S25 Ultra as the launch draws near.
What happens when a major tech company accidentally reveals its hand too soon? That's exactly what happened with Samsung's Galaxy S25 series. A promotional video for the highly anticipated smartphone leaked and caused quite a stir before being quickly taken down at the company's request. But as with anything on the internet, once it's out there, it's hard to erase. The video is still making the rounds on social media, giving us a sneak peek at Samsung's next big thing, artificial intelligence. Samsung appears to be leaning heavily on AI for its Galaxy S25, much like Apple has done with its latest iPhone. The centerpiece of the promo was the new improved Bixby, now enhanced with large language model capabilities. It also teased exclusive Google Gemini features that industry insiders suggest could put Apple to shame. The promise of an AI-powered assistant that truly gets you was a key selling point, aimed at making the phone not just smart, but intuitive and personal. However, not everyone is convinced that these AI features are revolutionary. Sure, the video showcased some useful tools, like improved nighttime video recording and the ability to filter out specific sounds in videos. These are cool, but they aren't exactly groundbreaking. The main feature promoted was an AI assistant that could answer everyday questions and provide personalized insights like finding pet-friendly Italian restaurants with outdoor seating. While convenient, it's not necessarily something that feels groundbreaking in the realm of smartphone technology. For many, this type of functionality is something they would still prefer to get from personal recommendations or online reviews. But let's not jump to conclusions just yet. It's possible that the leaked promo didn't reveal all the tricks up Samsung's sleeve. Some speculate that the company might be planning to roll out additional AI features in later updates after the release of One UI 7. This strategy wouldn't be surprising, as it mirrors Apple's approach of gradually releasing new features over time. On the hardware front, the Galaxy S25 seems to offer more of the same. The leaked information suggests that battery capacity, charging speeds, cameras, and displays will remain consistent with the previous generation. The major hardware upgrade appears to be the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which promises substantial performance improvements over its predecessors. This could make the S25 series one of the most powerful smartphones available in 2025, even if the other hardware specs don't see significant changes. So what does this mean for potential buyers? If you're someone who is excited about the latest AI advancements, the Galaxy S25 could be an exciting option. But if AI isn't a big selling point for you, this generation might not offer enough new features to justify an upgrade. The performance gains from the new chipset could still make it a compelling choice, especially for those who prioritize speed and efficiency in their devices. The Galaxy S25 series is likely to be one of the best smartphones of 2025, even if the leaked promo didn't set the world on fire. Whether you decide to upgrade or not might come down to how much value you place on the AI capabilities and the overall performance improvements. One thing's for sure, Samsung has everyone talking, and that's always a win in the tech world. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. We'll see you in the next video. Could the Galaxy S25 be the future of smartphones? With the official launch just around the corner, rumors and leaks are already making waves in the tech world. This next-generation device promises to bring cutting-edge features and incredible advancements powered by artificial intelligence. Well, what exactly can you expect from Samsung's latest flagship? Let's take a closer look at some of the standout innovations that could redefine the way you use your phone. One of the most exciting new features of the Galaxy S25 series is its AI-powered video editing capabilities. Samsung has introduced a tool called Circle to Search, which will change the way you interact with videos. This feature allows you to quickly search for tagged people within a video, streamlining the editing process and saving you time. In addition, it allows you to capture still images from any video recorded on your phone. Imagine being able to extract high-quality stills from a memorable moment without having to pause or edit the video yourself. This means more efficiency for creators and better quality for those looking to capture important moments. Another feature that stands out is the AI Select tool, which allows you to extract specific segments of a video and turn them into GIFs. While this feature may seem familiar, Samsung's version is designed to be more intuitive and efficient, ensuring that your GIFs come out with higher quality and better ease of use. Whether you want to share a funny moment or capture a quick action sequence, this tool makes it simple to create professional-looking results. The convenience and ease with which you can now create these GIFs could make this feature a go-to for those who love sharing short snippets from videos. The Galaxy S25 also comes with an enhanced version of Samsung's Call Assist feature, which already offers real-time audio translation. This upgrade takes it a step further by expanding language support to include 20 additional languages, doubling the current capabilities. With this expanded language support, Samsung ensures that communication across language barriers becomes easier, whether you're traveling or working in a global environment. This addition will make the Galaxy S25 a must-have device for anyone who frequently interacts with people from different cultures or regions. But it doesn't end there. Samsung is bringing even more AI-driven tools to the table. Innovations like Homework AI and Music Search are expected to make their debut on the Galaxy S25. Homework AI is designed to assist students with their academic tasks, offering support in organizing and completing assignments more efficiently. For students, this could be a game changer as it could help streamline their study routines and improve productivity. Meanwhile, Music Search will enhance the way you discover and interact with music on your device, offering a more personalized experience that adapts to your music preferences. Samsung has also introduced enhanced automation with its new enhanced routines. These improvements will allow your phone to predict your needs and adjust settings accordingly, making your everyday tasks simpler and more convenient. From adjusting the brightness to setting reminders at the right time, the Galaxy S25 will be able to anticipate your actions and adapt in real time. The integration of Gemini AI into apps like Samsung Calendar, Samsung Notes, and Samsung Reminder further enhances your device's ability to organize your day. This means managing your schedule and staying on top of important tasks will become much smoother as the phone learns how to best assist you. If you're as excited as we are to see what Samsung has in store with the Galaxy S25, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates. We'll be bringing you in-depth looks at the new features and keeping you informed about everything you need to know. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.